In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create viral TikToks for my brands that generate millions of likes, views, but most importantly, sales. This will help you start making sales without spending a penny on advertising. The best part is that this strategy works for both beginners and experienced dropshippers alike. We'll be going over my 4-step process for creating the perfect TikTok, so pay close attention. My name's Alex if you're new, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's get right into the video. All right, so really quickly guys, when you have your winning product that you know you want to start scaling on TikTok and creating content around, you really want to order that product on Amazon to get it there as soon as possible. So we're using this high pressure shower head right here as an example. I always go back on this product for those of you who don't know. This is actually my first ever winning product when I got started with dropshipping. So right here's a good supplier for this product. You're getting it for only $1.79 with free shipping, 12-day delivery. But we don't have 12 days of waiting around for this product to arrive. So you'll just want to find it on Amazon and go ahead and order it on there. Now I know we're paying significantly more by ordering on Amazon because you're buying directly from an Amazon seller. So we're paying $25 compared to the $2 on AliExpress, but we can get this product the next day and start shooting content with it right away. And that's exactly what we want. When you guys are first getting started with creating content and video ads for your store, it's okay to go through on TikTok, in AliExpress listings, in Google videos, and download as many videos as you can of your product. You guys can throw those together on a video editing platform like CapCut and create some really good video ads that way. But when we're thinking of a long-term content strategy moving forward, we definitely want to have our own product in hand to shoot content with instead of relying on videos that are already out there on the internet, because anybody can do that. All right guys, now let's go over my 4-step process for creating the perfect TikTok video for your brand. Then we're going to go over quite a few different examples of other brands that use this exact same framework whose videos are already gaining traction on the platform and going viral for them. Now the first step is a good hook. Every TikTok you create needs to have a good scroll stopping hook that stops the users in their tracks and makes them want to watch the rest of your video. You guys can do this by saying something interesting, something controversial, or putting some scroll stopping content like a satisfying video at the front of your video and switching to your own content right after. If your TikTok has a bad hook, it will not stick, it will not gain traction, and it won't generate any views or go anywhere. Step number 2, your content needs to be very fast and engaging. The human attention span, thanks to TikTok and short form content, is now smaller than that of a goldfish. If you guys don't believe me, you can look that up. I'm being 100% truthful with that. But because of that, you guys always want to make sure your content is very fast, high energy, and engaging for your audience. You guys want to switch scenes or frames every 1 to 3 seconds. Otherwise, users will get bored and scroll on to the next video. Number 3, you guys always want to take advantage of viral trends and viral sounds. You guys can do this by applying your own unique twist on it. If you guys see a trend in your niche that relates to your product in any way, you guys can recreate it yourself, add your own unique touch to it, and see how it performs. Like always, all of your videos should have viral sounds that are currently trending in the background so that they can get picked up by the algorithm and see where they go. Step number 4, last but not least, every video you create needs to have a strong call to action or a CTA. The end of your video needs to wrap up telling the users where to go or what to do next. This can be something as simple as get yours now, link in bio, or don't miss out, click the link in our bio to get yours before they're gone. Anything similar, you guys can test them all out and see which ones stick and perform the best for your audience in your own content. Now, besides that, you guys always want to have good lighting and a good backdrop for your video. Start applying those 4 best practices to all of your TikTok content moving forward and watch how much it drastically improves the quality of your videos. As always, keep publishing more content. The more you put out there, the better chance you have of something sticking and going viral for your brand. At the same time, you guys do not want to sacrifice quality for quantity. Meaning, at first, your videos are going to be very poor. Everyone's are. But the more you publish, the better you'll get with creating. So it's better to publish less often by publishing high quality content than low quality content. Meaning, if you guys publish 3 poor videos in a day, every single day, the TikTok algorithm is going to notice that, pick up on that, and not push any of your content anywhere. But on the other end, if you guys publish 1 high quality TikTok every single day, the algorithm will pick up on that, start pushing your content out there, and you guys will get so much better results as well as practice moving forward. So in the beginning, when your content isn't as good, Start focusing on publishing more high quality videos less often instead of a bunch of poor videos just out there all over the place. You guys need to be very strategic with this. All right, so now I just want to go over a few different TikToks that are using this exact same framework that we just went over that are already going viral for quite a few different brands on TikTok. You guys can find similar videos by going on TikTok yourself, typing in hashtag TikTok made me buy it or Amazon finds or any of those similar product hashtags. You guys can actually narrow it down to videos posted within the last week or within the last month. So you're always looking at fresh content. You guys can sort it by likes. You guys can see which perform the best and which ones don't perform as good. So keep scrolling down through here and you guys can see all of these different videos that are generating hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views and likes for each one of these brands. So let's go over a few. All right, we got 90,000 likes on this mini printer right here. You guys can see this content is very fast and engaging, switching the video scene every second or so. And it just shows a demonstration of this product in use. Here's a cool hook for the holiday season. Every Halloween addict needs this. It's that bloody bath mat that you see go viral every single year around this time, but this brand is doing a great job of giving it their own unique twist and creating some high quality content around it with a good call to action at the end. I like that. Do not buy a fire wallet. Here's another popular hook that you see with a ton of different dropshipping brands on TikTok, telling them not to buy your products. Then they list the features, the benefits, show the product in use and why the users actually do want to buy it. Never buying from a small TikTok business again. That's another really good hook that you see used all the time for different brands on TikTok. It shows a bad experience with the product, leaving the users engaged and wondering why. Then it shows how good the product actually is and does the complete opposite of what the hook intended. But this draws a lot of comments, controversy. Point of view, you found the secret to do it in the car. So point of view is a very popular hook with a lot of TikTok users, but also anything suggestive or controversial is going to cause the users to go in the comments and leave a bunch of comments. You can already see that down there. So that's a very good video that's performing decently for this brand. You now have my exact strategy for creating viral TikToks. Remember to focus on quality over quantity to start driving more sales to your store today. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. You also don't want to miss any of the resources I have for you in the description down below. Make sure to go check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.